In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Wix website to Google Search Console step by step. This is a super important setup if you care about SEO, search rankings, and understanding how people actually find your site on Google. Once connected, you'll be able to see clicks, impressions, search queries, and indexing status directly inside your Wix dashboard. This works for beginners and advanced users, and you don't need any coding knowledge at all. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and SEO tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Log into the Wix account that manages the website you want to connect to Google Search Console. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where you can see all of your sites. Make sure you select the correct website if you manage more than one. Next, from the main dashboard menu, click on Site and Mobile App. This section controls all of your website and mobile-related settings. After that, click on Website. This will open the main overview page for your Wix website where you can manage performance, design, and SEO settings. Now look for the option that says Go to SEO Dashboard and click on it. The SEO dashboard is where Wix gives you tools to manage search engine visibility, optimize pages, and connect external services like Google Search Console. Once the SEO dashboard loads, scroll slightly if needed until you see a section related to Google Search Console. Here, you'll see an option that says Connect to see how many clicks and impressions your site is getting on Google. Go ahead and click on Connect. Wix will now start the connection process between your website and Google Search Console. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you sign in with the same Google account you want to use for Google Search Console. Google will ask you to grant Wix permission to access Search Console data. Review the permissions, then click Allow to continue. This step is required so Wix can securely pull search performance data from Google. Once the permission is approved, Wix will automatically verify your website with Google Search Console. You don't need to upload HTML files, add DNS records, or paste meta tags manually. Wix handles the entire verification process in the background. After a few moments, the connection will be completed. When the setup is done, you'll be able to see Google Search Console data directly inside your Wix SEO dashboard. This includes clicks, impressions, and search performance trends. Keep in mind that if your site is brand new, it can take a few days for data to start showing up in Google Search Console. As a final tip, make sure your site is published and not set to private because unpublished or password-protected sites won't show data in Search Console. It's also a good idea to check the SEO dashboard regularly to monitor indexing issues and performance changes. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Wix website to Google Search Console. This is one of the most important steps you can take to improve your website's visibility on Google. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.